2 shots on the regular. More bars for the cellular. I be sick, call me tete. Get the bust on my medulla. 2 shots on the regular. More bars for the cellular. I be sick, call me tete. Get the bust on my medulla.
Hey kinfolk, welcome back to NaturallyPhilo. So today is an exciting day because I am going to get locks. I'm going to get faux locks, but not just any faux locks. These are crochet faux locks, and I've never gotten any faux lock style or even locked my hair, so I'm excited. I got hair from BohoLocs. BohoLocs is a black woman-owned business. It was founded by Lulu Pierre when she just couldn't find anything on the market like what she wanted. So you know what black women do? We create it ourselves. And that's on period. I'm here for it.
I'm Lulu Pierre, I'm the founder of BohoLocs, and we are a crochet extension brand, crochet lock extension brand, and we ship worldwide.
She sent me 2. Oh, it's so sweet. Do I need 2? Is my head that big? Hey, let's talk about this packaging. I am so impressed. I've never seen hair come in a package like this. It is beautiful. So if y'all could tell, I did get a trim and I was due for one. So yes, I went to Tamika and she gave your girl some layers too, honey. I'm loving this trim. So that video is coming soon. I'm about to get locks, like crochet locks. Like I am souped. So if y'all are interested on going on a little adventure with me today, stay tuned.
I'm going on a trip to North Philly. Forget the quarantine, about to get my hair did at Look Hair Care.
Hey kinfolk, I'm at Aronda's salon right now. About to get these locks. This is my first time getting locks. Yeah, crochet braids in general actually. So I'm super excited. So let's get it on. Yes, y'all, cornrows. The cheekbones are out. What's your name?
I'm Danny. How are you?
Hi, Danny.
Here I'm showing you the braiding pattern we went with to install these crochet locks.
They look so good. Wow.
Extra curly at the bottom.
How's it going?
I like it.
Oh.
The knot is nice and tight. You don't need as many pieces as I thought you would need to fill up the spaces. So, I'm happy. I'm feeling it.
All right, off to a great start. It's curly at the bottoms, y'all. So how long do installs like this take?
Typically, once it's braided down, just put it in the lock. Should be like 45 minutes.
Wow. Oh, that's great. How long you recommend I keep it in?
Up to 2 months, I would say. 6 to 8 weeks.
Wow. Oh, that's a protective style.
Now I know damn well I ain't never keep a protective style in for 2 months, but I didn't want to say anything.
Hello. I came up in here and Miss Debbie said she got boho locks in too. Period. Feeling myself. I'm feeling
I was just thinking, what if I came up in here wanting like full locks, but my natural hair braided into the locks? Like that would have took 8 hours. Crochet braids is really an innovation because this only took 45 minutes.
Yes. Give us a little twirl. Ooh. Ooh. Hey kinfolk, this is 1 pack. Ooh, you cannot talk to me. Anyhow.
But you see how good it covers?
1 pack down. So you think you use all of the second pack? Today I'm gonna see how heavy crochet braids are, because y'all always saying it's light. But let's see. My neck already is gaining muscle.
That's good.
My forehead looking shiny. Okay. What are your thoughts about the hair, Aranda?
I really like it. It's really nice. It looks really good.
Aww. BohoLocs, y'all did well. And it does give Empress vibes. I like the name. Great name choice.
I'm gonna get some.
Use my code PHILO10 for 10% off. Oh my gosh. This is hair.
Yes, honey. This is hair.
A pack and 2/3, y'all.
In terms of heaviness, I'm not used to having braids, so I did feel the weight. It's nothing crazy that I feel like my neck is gonna break, but I do feel a little weight on my head.
This is so different than what I do on the channel. They're gonna be so surprised.
They're gonna be like, oh wow.
KINfolk, what y'all think?
It looks really pretty.
Thank you. Thank you, Aranda, for installing.
No problem.
So good. Hey, KINfolk. So I'm on my way back home now. And Aranda, put the hair back for me. I told her to do a little swoop so I could get out of there. Hey! Do you see that? Do you see me? I've transformed into a different person. This is a whole lot of hair. This is a whole lot of. But it's a vibe. Ooh, I can't wait to take some bomb fire pictures and I'm gonna post them all on Instagram. And to know that, a black woman is behind this, like a black owned business is behind this, that is awesome. They hand make this, like that is amazing. So yeah, I ended up using like 1.6, like 1 2/3 packs. Don't worry, y'all. If you buy one, they actually send you 2 packs. So you're getting 2 packs. You're not only getting 1 pack when you purchase it. You're getting 2 packs because since these are thinner, you need more than 1 pack to complete your whole head. So this hair is part of the Empress collection and it launches today, Friday, March 20th. So all the information on this hair will be in the description box. There are actually 3 different types. This one is called the Empress Deluxe. And as you can see, it is super long. I gotta jump so y'all really, oh, that didn't work. You see that? It is super long. So it's called the Empress Deluxe. And the Empress Deluxe is about 24 to 26 inches. There's also Empress Classic, which is 20 to 22 inches. And then there's Empress Short, which is Sweet 16. Hey, Sweet 16.
I'll be 16 years. I gotta be like this, so if you touch my Tino, I go tell mommy, yo.
Sweet 16 inches. So depending on what length you want, me dear, I decided to be extra. Go big or go home. This was my first time, and so I had to go big. So I got the Empress Deluxe, but remember that there are 2 other lengths out there. KINfolk, if y'all are interested, you can use the code KIN10 to get 10% off your purchase. And act fast because I heard this is in such a demand that people are setting alarms for it too. So I wouldn't be surprised if this is sold out. So act fast. Big shout out to BohoLocs. Thank them for this because they're allowing me to do a giveaway. So a lucky subscriber is going to win 2 packs of the new Empress hair collection. So all you have to do is make sure, of course, you are subscribed to this channel, like this video, give it a big thumbs up because it helps me immensely. In the description box, you're going to see a link to a Google form. All I need is your name and your email address. This just makes it so much easier to contact the winner once I pick the winner. And last but not least,
I would love for y'all to subscribe to BohoLocs here on YouTube, and I'll link their link in the description box. But they sell a huge variety of hair in different colors, so definitely check out their locks.
I am about to love on it for the next 2 weeks at least. But yeah, thank you so much, BohoLocs, for partnering with me to make this video. Congrats on your new launch. This hair is bomb. Hairstylist Aranda thought it was bomb. Everyone in the salon was like, this is bomb. So yeah, I really hope your launch does well. And thank you so much, KINfolk, for watching. All information will be in the description box. Have a blessed day. And until next time on NaturallyPhilo, keep it naturally.
Genging and banging since me youngin', living and learning, dressing and flexing. You have been posting and liking, commenting.